In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working Grubhub promo code or discount code or coupon code in October 2022. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up web browser and in the search box type in Grubhub promo code. It brings you to that web page where you can find a lot of different websites that offers free promo codes. You can open up any of them, and there, as you can see, I got 24 different coupons. I can scroll down to see them all. For example, the first one gives me $25 off. I can hit there at more details to get some additional information about that promo code, and then I can tap at show coupon to see it, and also here I can tap on that icon to copy it to my clipboard, and then I can move to Grubhub website or to its application and then use that promo code before I pay any money. Just don't forget to enter that promo code in promo codes field and double check if it's applied. If for some reason that promo code doesn't work, you can always go back to that site and from here try to use another promo code. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.